Welcome to another episode of Fun Finance. In today's video, I will share all the details about PR Sundar 2 days workshop. I have attended it. I had paid 45,000, and as requested by all of you guys, I am sharing a lot of details about the workshop so you can decide whether you want to go or not, but at least you have a better view on the workshop. So I had paid 45,000 rupees including GST for this webinar, and I will share few details. The webinar I took or the workshop I took was on 10th and 11th. The timing was roughly around from 9 to 6:30. So this was about the timing. In this video I will also share some thoughts who should do this workshop, who should not do this workshop. So first I will come to who should not do this workshop. So if you have a less capital of say 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 50,000 or even less than that, then you should not do. Ideally, people who have capital of 10 lakh, 25 lakhs should go for any workshop of PR Sundar. So because the strategy he will be sharing and the firefighting you need to do, you will be requiring capital on that. A strategy can be deployed on like 1,50,000 or 1,60,000. But if there is some problem with the trade you have taken, you need to do firefighting or you need to take some adjustment trade. So that will require additional capital. So the capital requirement, if does not fulfill, you should not do it. Plus there is another condition ke if you are willing to do this, you should have a at least a good knowledge, not a best, but you should have understand how option selling work. You should understand option selling. It's not if you are introduced new to option and you should directly go and do this course. You should try some basic course or you can learn on YouTube. There are a lot of videos. You should do that. Then it will be better for you to understand the details. Also, if you believe that this course will teach you some tricks that will help you to get rich quick, then you should not do this. The return you can expect by doing this course from your capital would be around 2 to 6% per month, and on an average you can earn 3 to 4%. That will be average. 3% you can expect, like 30-40% you can expect the average of per annum. And also if you think that there would be some different strategies that are not available on Google or something, and that strategies you can set in algo and you can sit and do nothing, then this is not the case. The workshop is more about mindset, risk management, adjustment. It's not focused on strategy. If I will share how the workshop works. So the 2 days workshop was in this way. Okay, you have to see some videos. On that there would to be Zoom call where we were around 50-55 participant, and we can ask whatever question we have regarding that strategies or adjustment videos or whatever. So aroundly the 5 hours content was there for which we have to watch, and after that Q&A session were there. Q&A session where if you have any question regarding a strategy, how to deploy or normal market, any other question apart from strategies also about risk management and all. So Q&A was quite helpful. Questions of other people help how you have to time the market and all. So the best thing I have gained from this webinar was, or workshop was, my mindset have changed. One thing is that the strategies, I would say there were around 12 to 16 odd strategies. If you count major strategies, there were 12 to 13 odd strategies that were covered in 2 days. But strategies I will give a weight of 20-25. The main weight I will give to margin management, which PR said, and about the adjustment. I was facing major problem in adjusting my trade. I am an option trader. From past 6-7 months I am doing option selling. But what used to happen, I used to do 20-25 successful trade, and one trade if I lose 30-40,000 rupees, then the whole gain which I have done goes out. So that was the reason I took this workshop, and I guess if I'm able to reduce this loss, then this workshop will be worth for me. So whether you should do this workshop at this cost will depend upon your choice. So how I look this is like, if I'm spending 45,000, and if with his adjustment strategies, if I'm able to get out of my trade without loss, or I'm able to save in my loss. So if you are saving on loss or you are minimizing the loss, that is also money saved, is money earned. So if I'm able to do this in 4-5 trades, and once in a month, there is a time where you need this once, since the market are more volatile this day, you need this thing, adjustment thing, like twice 4 times a month. Today also market have fallen by like another 500 point, but I would definitely say before 2 days my mindset would have been different. As an option seller, I'm not like I have got everything and like from tomorrow I will go and like I'm going to earn billions of rupees. But I surely know I have some better exit strategies. I will be able to close my trade properly. If I am in trouble, I can do something what previously I used to do. I used to just sit and pray to God that this trade come into profit or the loss is minimized. I had my major problem in existing the trade when the situation is not in my favor. And if you are an option seller, you understand majority of time whatever view you take of market generally moves in the opposite direction. So in that case, you have to take adjustment trade. Without adjustment trade, like there is nothing you can gain in the market. If you have 1,000 crore also, then also in like in some couple of years or some years, you will be losing all the money. You need a proper strategy, entry and exit, everything you need. Then only you can be successful in option selling. Also, apart from that, we are been added to some Telegram group where all the previous workshop members are there. So members can share trade with each other. Like someone have taken trade, I was going through that Telegram group and I've seen members are actively sharing their trades. So it is like a community is building over there. And also apart from that, like many things I have learned which I don't think so I would have learned. So it's completely depending upon your type, what type of requirement you have and what knowledge you have about option selling. It will depend upon that whether you should take this 2 days workshop for like 45,000, 40,000, yeah, 50,000, whatever price it is available now. So you should basically keep in mind, you should have a good amount of capital if you are coming to option selling, because adjustment are required. If you do this trade 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5th time or 6th time, there would coming a time where your trade like the market would move in a other direction and you will have to do adjustment. And if you can't do adjustment trade and you need to do proper adjustment trade, that I think I have learned from this webinar. So if I want to conclude this video, so I would say the webinar was divided in like 4 parts. One was strategies, then was adjustment and firefighting, then was portfolio hedging part, and then was margin and risk management. So this was the 4 main contexts. So if you have any questions regarding the this webinar, whatever I have shared, you can let me know in comments. Also, I have created one video previously about the webinar which PR had conducted last year. You can check that video in I button. I hope this information is helpful to you, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Since I am going to go big on option selling, I will try to share my trades and some more information on this channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you.